What's up? I'm Sophia Harris, and today I have to go do a photo shoot later on, but I wanted to stop at my favorite thrift store in the Twin Cities, Rewind Vintage, to see if I could pick out an outfit in less than 10 minutes. So let's go. All right, so the first thing that caught my eye was this jacket right here. Oh my God. Are you serious? Yup, it matches my hair. I think if I were to get this coat, I would wear like kind of a low-cut black undershirt, or like maybe they had a one-piece. I'm a sucker for like, I love going to thrift stores because I know no one else is gonna have it. I can walk around. I remember when I was a kid and like prom happens and I would be extremely specific on where we would go buy it because I would freak out if any other girl was wearing the same dress at me at prom. She might get hurt, I'm just kidding. That's really cute. That's what? All right, let's see. So I'm looking for like a basic top. No, actually this probably isn't the section. So normally where like the one pieces are. Set that there for now. Actually, oh my God, Whitney Houston. See how the scarf goes? I totally see you wearing something like that. But it's not really fitting the shoot today. This is oh, these were like bodysuits. These, you where the jumpers would be? Okay. Yeah. Oh, no one's good. Ideally, what would be tight if I had like a black jumper to go underneath that whole jacket. That would be extremely dope. Oh, see, oh, sometimes you have to ask for help. Wow, this is hella cute, yep. And then, so probably not that one.
Okay, you got it.
But I'm gonna try, this is baller. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go try these babies on. Most likely the pinstripe jumpsuit is the winner. Be right back. Okay. So boom, this is the winner for sure. This entire jumpsuit is exactly what I manifested. I think we walked in the building. Well, now we need shoes, and I already see some at the corner of my eye. But these are 6.5s. I'm a 7.5, 8. I will push a 7 if I need to. So we just need a basic black boots. Ooh, too small. 7. Nah, too small. All right. Come with me. These are fly though. Oh, 6.5. Well, I might see. Sometimes you gotta sacrifice. Sometimes you gotta sacrifice, you know, the foot for style. It's not black, but it's definitely on the hue of silver, which is the pinstripe of the entire outfit. Bam! Yep. We got the shoes. Basic hoops. These swords are tight. Oh, look at the loons. These loons are actually really cute. I might rock the duck, or I might just keep it classy with the hoops. They're like basic. So I got these loons as a finishing touch for my earrings, and boom. Sophia's 10-minute fit in 10 minutes at Rewind Vintage. Stay tuned for the next edition of Sophia's 10-minute fit.